Who's coming? And so I'm gonna go ahead and install the NRG seat, and you can see there's already a huge significant difference in the size of the seat itself. Quick little side-by-side comparison. The point of sale for me, or the reason why I decided to go this route, is because you can sit a lot lower compared to the stock seat, and you can see the difference is huge. It's not that I hate the Corolla seat. I love the Corolla XRS seat. The support on each side is pretty good, but the helmet, my helmet just keeps hitting the roof, and I don't like that going to the track. So we're gonna go ahead and mount up the seat, but I have to make different holes on my bracket because they don't line up. So I already went ahead and installed my NRG Weapon R seat bracket. It is the one I did a video on. This bolts up good. All the holes line up really well. It's just a matter of fact of throwing this on and figuring out where I'm gonna do the holes, but shouldn't be too hard. Let me go ahead and throw it in.
Too slow. We are drilling. Oh, I'm making a mess.
There you go, dude. That's how you modify your NGR, whatever the hell you want to call it.
NGR.
It's like an EGR, but better.
EGR.
Wow.
No one wants EGRs on their vehicles.
Dude, you are...
EGR. Is that what it is? EGR?
Yeah.
Actually, he lied. Why are you bald now?
She got lined up just for this.
Don't do crack, guys.
It takes away your hair. It's that Haterade you're drinking. It's hair receding.
Yeah.
$1 from McDonald's every single morning.
Hey man, that's some good iced coffee. So
yeah.
I can't complain about that. But anyways, I just finished making my holes.
You went out to the car and he was like, how does my big ass sit inside this car? And then he put dots where he needs it.
Yeah.
And then he cut them.
I mean, I did a pretty good job. They seem kind of lined up.
He's going to put it in. It's going to be all backwards. He's like, oh no.
So, tilted to the left. I prefer that driving position anyway.
So,
Can I fart on camera?
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
He's embarrassed now.
No, I pulled it off.
Oh, silent but deadly. Okay.
I might have to check myself later, but.
So, I believe that's it. It is fucking hot.
Yeah, he's fucking hot. Wait, what? You're weird, Seabass.
Anyways.
That part worked quick on him.
Okay, so now we're doing this. We have a little, some other track prep to do. I have to go pick up my seat because I'm getting a new one. So.
No need to.
That's what you sound like.
Anyways.
It's unpleasant.
I know, that's what I said. His voice. Alright, there you go.
This Weapon R bracket is the biggest pile of shit, dude. I will not recommend this Weapon R bracket. Do not. I repeat, do not spend your money on this Weapon R bracket. It's just not it's not wide enough. So you can see right here, I'm like on the edge of the NRG C bracket. So there's like a huge lip that I'm off of. So
technically, if you have a big old round thing in the back.
No, it's not even that, Clay. It's just the bracket itself. It's not.
Dude, it's literally twisting. It's bowing.
Yeah, it's not good, dude. This Weapon R bracket is not good.
This bracket itself? This one?
Yeah, the Weapon R bracket is not good.
It's the only thing they made for the car, though.
Yeah, that's the
you have to do something custom.
Yeah.
The only thing you need to do left is, I mean, you might have to extend this. That's the thing. Like the bars. Like if they were only like right here, you would have been fine.
Yeah, I mean it's on there, it's tight, but will it hold my weight as well on the track? So I guess that's gonna be a question for tomorrow, because these are made out of fiberglass.
You know what I was thinking? Why not like?
Well, the important part is as long as my helmet doesn't hit the roof, I'd be fine. But again, another thing that has to do is the weight limit. I didn't realize how much the weight limit is. I'm about 300 pounds, 6'3", 300 pounds. So
What's your eye color and what's your social security number next?
social security is fuck you.
111.
No, the number is 4444444. Dun! That's all fours for legal help. Please, if you guys know that commercial, let me know in the comments down below.
So I don't live in Glockton.
Anyways, gonna go ahead and test fit it in the car and go from there.
Look, it's Roger from Family Guy.
Anyways, so the seat's already installed.
It's actually right there.
It's right there. So this one's a far superior one, XRS, OEM CVAS. You know, that's what they called me in high school. Yeah. So the point of buying this seat was to see if my helmet clears. And I guess here we go.
I think it sits a little bit lower than your stock seat compared to that one.
Afterwards.
That's what I was saying, James.
Glasses on after?
Yep,
Yeah, take them off, you dumbass. Or you
Put 'em
family
on.
friendly, you
Open
dummy.
The window. This is the order of operations for discerning gentlemen with vision correction.
PEMDAS.
Yep, exactly.
Oh, sorry, I'm gonna record this.
You should test the eyeglasses install too. Oh yeah.
Is it gonna pass the broomstick test?
Actually, I do like swapping things over into the hardtop GTS for this exact reason.
How's your seat comfortability? Do you feel comfortable shifting? Okay, how does your legs feel compared to the stock seat? You seem a bit distraught.
Here, put your wrist on top of the wheel at 12 o'clock.
How do you feel? Initial reactions. I need content.
That's could do better.
Well, practice your heel toe and boy.
And mischief. Boom! And your oil pumps.
A third, back to second.
All right, now go in the corner really hard. Pretend you're going in the corner. And boom! And you starved your oil. Congrats. Yeah, clunk, 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 clunk. Let me try. Okay. So what? Okay, I need an interview. Driver interview. Sit down. I know it's hot. All right. So tell me what's up. Tell me what's up.
So here's the issue. And again, it's gonna be the issue with the weapon R bracket. I don't sit far enough back.
That's the max. You can make it long. You can make it farther, can't you?
If I make it farther back, then only 50% of the Prisma
See-
bracket is on the weapon R bracket.
Well, I'm like an inch or two shorter. Oh wow. Let's see. I mean, it's comfy, dude. I mean,
How tall are you?
I'm 6'2", and you're what, 6'3.5"?
6'3", but I have more upper body weight, I
Bro,
guess.
what the hell? Why is your shifter all the way to the right? It's like shifted to the right.
It's for the Scion TC, I think.
But it works though, yeah?
It works. I mean, I don't have any complaints about it. It's just shorter throws.
Did they make an XRS TRD shifter?
No, they don't.
I mean, it feels good to me at least. I don't know. Like, I can definitely feel the shoulder pads right here. It's definitely hitting the, or it's barely clearing on the side right here.
Oh, jeez, you're right.
But I mean, I saw you were hitting your head right on the
Yeah, I'm
headrest
still
right here.
hitting it on the left, but
You gotta be careful, because if you like hit, you go, "Oh, I can't
yeah,
do this."
no, I think those weapon R brackets are complete piles of shit.
So you might have to shift this to the right a little bit, and then you might have to make a custom seat bracket, but
I'm gonna need
I
to
think we
make.
have a friend that can do that. So
Yeah, at this point, I'm gonna get custom seat brackets. Just these weapon Rs are not it, dude.
I think it'll be good for the track day.
I mean, it fits. You want to try it out?
James is like we're all like within the same stature. Here, James, we need a third opinion. I think it feels pretty solid. It's just like obviously like
It's not 100% bolted on, but
Yeah.
I mean,
What?
right out, my friend.
Oh yeah.
The dang
that's
energy
nice.
drink.
That's nice.
shifting, does it feel good?
I don't know.
It's all twitched to the right. Did you notice that? It's like,
Every morning.
oh my god. I don't get it. I thought this was a family-friendly channel.
Are we talking about music still?
Oh,
It feels
God.
good, dude. Oh my god. There's like a nice little
Yeah.
Fine,
butt
I mean,
cheek cushion there.
it isn't obviously it doesn't encase us as well as sea bass would because you don't.
Yeah, I'm
Talking
more.
about a wide hips
Yes.
stature type of thing.
Well, I'm more wider on the upper body, so.
If it doesn't
We're
sit
all
far,
in
wait,
between.
wait, remove the cushions real quick.
Mm.
Because look, you'll get more, maybe like another inch
Oh
or
man,
two.
this car is way bigger than the inside, isn't it? It's like much bigger inside.
All right, try that out.
Oh
me see.
God, is that even gonna?
Dude, it's
your
probably
ass
not
is
going to be
gonna fit in
comfortable.
there.
This is how mine felt. So, like I said, you'll probably sit farther deep in there.
Helmet.
Oh, yeah.
That's the issue. The helmet.
Does it rub on the sunroof?
Not in the center, but on the side.
On the side where
You might
the
have to
pillar
just
is.
deal with it. I have to just deal with it sometimes too.
You need a Hans device. You need the halo like on the OMP seats.
Oh God, it is uncomfortable.
Okay, but do you sit farther? Is it more comfortable with that position?
Takes me a second to get static on my seat.
I mean, I'm not like this no more.
I mean, you could do a mixture of the pads. Or do a custom seat pad.
I'm fucking compact, dude.
Okay, so consensus, bolt it down, do another test fit. Definitely another bracket when the
You
time
need another
comes.
bracket. Don't buy this webinar bracket. It is complete pile of shit.
Other than that,
You're probably better off making your own. But no, I think I'm gonna ride without the cushions.
Sunny I think only runs the front one like you do right there.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna run the cushions. There's just no space for them for me.
Plus you'll have more headroom, so if you do get in a crash, you're not gonna be banging your head hella hard.
But I mean, seat's cool. I like it, but it's just the bracket that made this installation a piece of shit. Yes.
I haven't even shown it yet.
I already did. Or no, I haven't actually.
Whoa, should I hide it?
It's all whatever. I don't care.
See that? There was a pedestrian crossing the street and he was hitting lift. That's not funny.
Yeah, it is.
You're
Anyways,
fucked up. Okay.
I'm gonna go take a 5. Go get some water.
Yeah, I need some water too. Okay, so consensus, might need to run without paddings, different bracket,
For
and I think
sure.
we should be good.
If you're 6'3", have more upper body mass, you need to take off those cushions and you'll probably feel good. That's fine. I guess we'll see you tomorrow on the track. So you go buy your seat. Video for another day.
CBS. Oh,
What?
okay, so I want to explain to you how my seat bracket's a lot better than yours.
Yes, I know. That's an expensive seat bracket that I gave you.
Oh, you can't. I had to pay for it. I had to pay for it, and
What, in chicken sandwiches?
no.
So he has a planted seat bracket, which is far superior than the one I have, which is a Weapon R. And he's over here judging me for my $80 seat brackets compared to his $250 seat bracket.
That's actually
Cool, thank you, Clay.
wait.
Anyways.